What's up guys, welcome back. This is Prabhashankar Khare and I welcome you all to my channel The PS Digitals. This might be the last video of this Wix basic tutorial series, and in this video we are going to optimize the website which we have made in our last video. So in case if you haven't watched my last video, then please go and watch it, and in case if you have missed out my entire playlist, then please go and watch all the videos over there. I have mentioned link in description below, and also you can find out in I button here. Okay, so please go and watch it. And in this video we are going to optimize the website for mobile. Okay, so to do that, I want to share my screen with you, and this is the website which we have made in our last video. Okay, using template. Okay, as this is the Wix basic tutorial series, so that is the reason I am using templates in this video series. In our upcoming videos I am definitely going to tell you that how to create a website completely from scratch using Wix, so nothing to worry about. And I will definitely tell you how to do each and everything in Wix platform in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to this channel, okay, and press the bell icon to get further notifications, because I will definitely bring so many videos into this channel. And to optimize the website for mobile, just go to switch to mobile option, and this is how our website look like in mobile right now. And as we have used the template in the for this tutorial, so this mobile version is already optimized. Okay, it is 90% optimized for now. Okay, and if you want to change anything, then you can definitely do that. Like if I want to change the size of this title text, then I can definitely do that. Let me tell you what all these options are. Okay, for with this option you can increase the size of text. Okay, and with this you can decrease the size of text, and this is the setting option. Okay, with this you can easily adjust the font size, font color, and font alignment. So if you want to give some animations to this your font or to your text, then you can definitely do that from this option. Just click on this animated option and you can choose any of the animation from here. And if you don't want to give any animation to your text, then just click on this none option. And if you want to hide your font or hide any of the element in your mobile version, then you can definitely do that from this. Okay, this hide element option, and this is for help. So the same option you will get in each of the element. Okay, this is the layout option which we have got under setting in font, and this is the menu section. You can edit menu from here. Okay, this is how your menu look like. If you want to change the layout of your menu, then you can easily do that from here. And to change the background, just click on change background option, and you can change it to any color. Okay, and after that just click on this close button to close your menu. Okay, this is the setting option, this is the design option. Like if you want to change the design of your mobile menu, then you can easily do that from here. Okay, you can choose from any of the design, and whenever you hide any of the element, you will add back to this website with this hidden element option. Okay, this is the place where all your hidden elements will be shown. Okay, and if you want to add any of your elements back to your mobile website, just click on this plus button. Okay, and it will automatically add on your website. And this is the menu and pages option, as we have already discussed in our last video or recent videos. Okay, this is the background option. With this you can easily change your mobile background. And this is the mobile tools option. With this you can easily add quick action bar. Okay, and back to top button, which is this. Okay, and if you want to add any welcome screen on your mobile version, like if someone open your website, then you must have seen the preloader. Okay, this is how the welcome screen works. Okay, and you can also choose the Chrome theme color from here. And if you want, then you can go for this page layout optimizer. Okay, it will automatically optimize your website. Okay, but my suggestion is that you should definitely do it manually. Okay. What all things I can tell you now? Yeah, like if you want to change the size of your column or your strip, then you can easily do that from here. Okay, let's suppose you have choose the complete strip now. Okay, this is the text element column. Okay, this is the paragraph and this is button, but all these three text, image and text, paragraph and button and is under strip. Okay, and if you want to change the size of a strip, then you can easily do that from here. With this you can change the width, change the height of your strip. Okay, and with this also you can easily change the height of your strip, but I want to show the difference between this both. Okay, just see this. Okay, like if I am dragging this one, it is overlapping the second strip. Okay, the strip below this, and if I am doing it from this arrow option, then it is dragging it but not overlapping the below strip. Okay, so that is the difference between both of this. Like, all my suggestion is that always use the stretch hand option. Okay, and always change the height of your strip with this option. As you can read here, that use the stretch handle to length or shorten an element while maintaining the design of your page. It will maintain the design of your page if you use this option. Okay, and if you use this option, then it will definitely overlap your other strip. Just wait for a moment. Before you end up this video, I really want you to go and download the checklist which I have made especially for you. And on the checklist, I have mentioned how to create a beautiful and stunning website step by step. So go click on the link given in description below and download your checklist now. So this is how, guys, you can easily optimize your website, and if you optimize the other pages, then you can easily do it from here. You can just switch to any pages and you can optimize that particular page for your mobile version. I will definitely tell you that how you can optimize the website manually when you build website from scratch in my upcoming videos. But I know that you have got some basic ideas that how you can optimize your mobile version website. This is the main thing which I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope that you have really found this video valuable and you have really found this complete Wix basic video tutorial series valuable. So please like this video and comment down below if you have any questions, and please let me know if you have any suggestions for me, or if you have any more topics to cover, then please let me know. And please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications of the video, because I will definitely post more videos into this channel related to website designing. So please follow me in this channel. Okay, and we will meet in our upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much.